You don't have to have a lot of money to start a new business. You don't have to have a college degree to start a new business. So I don't want you standing around waiting for the wind to blow the right direction in order to start your business. Today, I'm going to give you 3 business ventures you can go into. Low cost, no college education required, and can help you become a millionaire in the near future. So let me go ahead and dive in and share with you what these are. 2 of them I'm in. The third one was one that I was blown away by, didn't know really too much about this type of business venture. It really made me curious to want to go into it myself. So I'm going to share that with you at the end. So the first business venture that you can do is digital marketing. And I know what you're saying. Oh yeah, I know what digital marketing is. No, a lot of people don't realize the integral parts of digital marketing. They think digital marketing is just being on social media and posting. Digital marketing really is about ads, advertisement. So it can be on Google, it can be on Facebook, it can be on TikTok, it can be in emails, it can be on websites, but it's really a lot about paid ads, even though you have some stuff that's organic that digital marketers do. Now, the key here is that you don't have to go to school for 4 years to get a degree. You don't even need a degree, period. You can go and get a certification in as little as 3 months. You can go and get a degree if you wish, but it's not required at all. The barrier of entry for how much it costs for you to get started is near zero. It's just you getting the certification, the knowledge, and having a computer and internet connection and being able to put your elbow grease into effect and go out there and get clients. That's all it requires. You can do it right from your home. So why am I kind of touting digital marketing so much? Because the digital marketing space is big. It's a $667 billion industry as I speak. Yes, I said it, $667 billion. By 2026, it will be a $786 billion industry. By 2030, it will be a $1.5 trillion industry. I know you want to slice of that pie. I know I want to slice that pie. That's why I do digital marketing now. That is a big pie that you can get a slice of to make your life a little bit different. What does a revenue breakdown to individuals? Well, as an individual agency, you can expect $250,000 to $300,000 a year per person. I don't know if you can use that or not, but I most definitely can use that. And this is why I'm so high on the digital marketing business venture. Number 2 is one that people always lack the confidence to do because they have low self-esteem, or they don't think they're worthy because they don't have a college degree, or because they're not seen as an expert. But it's online courses and coaching. And you go like, so hey, what I got to coach about? I mean, I fix cars. I cut grass. I'm a landscaper. Folks, you just don't realize it. That online courses and coaching is a big business. It has so many niches. There are people who are doing gardening courses. They're making tons of money. There are people who are teaching people how to cook, have cooking courses, and they're making tons of money. No, they didn't go to school to become a chef. So don't underestimate or undervalue your expertise. This can be big business for you. Now, the barrier of entry is low because it doesn't require a college education, as you can see, but the industry also is big. It's a $3.2 billion industry as I speak. $3.2 billion industry as I speak right now. And it's going to explode to an $11 billion industry by 2030. Man, this is big. Now, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month without having to put in a bunch of work day to day to day. And what do I mean by that? Once you have your online courses, they come on demand. So you could be asleep and making that kind of money. Now, there are some people who make up to $50,000 or more per month because they have mastered it. So there is so much growth potential when it comes to online courses and coaching. I have online coaching sessions that I do that's on my website. I also do the digital marketing as well. So these are the 2 that I'm involved in. Now, the third one I'm not involved in, wasn't even aware that it was big business like that. I thought it was kind of wonky when I first seen it on the scene, and that is subscription box services. You've seen it with beauty supplies where companies will curate different samples of different beauty products for women so that they can sample them, pick the items that are going to make them loyal and continue to get more boxes, and it's a subscription service. I was like, really? People do that? Man, it is a $31 billion industry, again, as I speak. And it's going to explode to a $105 billion industry by 2032. It's big money. You got to think about it. If you're putting samples in a box, then you get the manufacturers are paying you to market the samples, and then the people are subscribing and paying you to get the box. So you're making money both ways. Oh my gosh, this is genius. I didn't think about this. I'm thinking about it now. So what is the cost to get this started? Again, low cost. It can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 to start this type of business. That's not a lot of money, especially for the upward potential. Profits are 40 to 60%. 40 to 60%. Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. And on average, each company is making $1.17 million a year. So you could be up, you could be down, but the profits are 40 to 60%. You do the math, that's a very good living. So these three business ventures, boom, low cost, gets you right in. Now, if you want to know how to start a business or you need the foundation for it, you can watch this video right here that I put out, the startup kit. It will show you everything you need to do in order to start the business. Now, you can also check out this video over here just to continue to advance your knowledge. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Let me know what you think. Give me feedback. Also, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy J.I., a random podcast. I'll see you on the other side.